Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. As you know that we are learning about chapter number 3, periodic table and periodicity of properties. Today we will discuss about ionization energy. So first of all we have to know what is ionization energy. Ionization, by the name we can also guess that is any amount of energy. So ionization energy is the amount of energy mean quantity. So the amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electrons from the valence shell of gaseous atom. So the ionization energy is the simply amount of energy that is required to remove most loosely bound. Mean to say the electron present in valence shell is most loosely. So if we want to remove it, we need the amount of energy. That required energy will be called ionization energy. But this electron is removed from a gaseous atom, gas atom, and from valence shell of the gaseous atom. For example, in sodium, if we want to remove one electron, there will be a positive charge and we have to need the 496 kilojoule per mole energy to remove this most loose electron from the valence shell. Kilojoule per mole is its unit, and delta H is representing the energy, plus mean release of energy. Now we will discuss the trend of ionization energy in period. Ionization energy in period increases from left to right. Why do it increase? We have to make the reason. So when we move from left to right in period, value of ionization will increase. It is because of size of atom. As size of atom reduces, as we know that in period size or atomic radius reduces in period. So because size of atom reduces and valence electrons are held strongly. When electron will be held strongly by nucleus, so there will be a difficulty to remove more electrons. Will be a difficulty to lose electrons because size was reduced and electrons were held strongly. Now we will discuss the trend of ionization energy in groups. In groups, ionization energy decreases. Why does it decreases? Because in group size of atom increases. As we know that size increases because of addition in new shells. As new shells are added, the size increases. So when size will be increased, valence electron are not held strongly. So it will be easiness to lose valence electron because the electrons in valence shell are not held strongly, that are held weakly. So students, this was our today's topic. You should learn it, revise it. If you see any mistake in my lectures, you can improve myself, and if you have any difficulty you can ask again, and you can rate me or you can comment me in YouTube video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.